Hey guys, today we're at my house and I'm going to replace a glass in our laundry room, downstairs powder room door that my daughter broke probably over a year ago. I'm finally going to replace that with a piece of plexiglass, and I'll show you exactly what happened. And I've already started on it, so I'll kind of catch you up. Okay, here is the door, and you can see right here was the point of impact, and it just broke everywhere. I mean, it just shattered. Now, I had a piece of film on the back of it here as like frosting that I put on there because this is a bathroom. So that is what held the glass in and kept it from going all over the place, which I'm very thankful for. But here's what happened. She came through one day and pushed it really hard, and there's a mantle right behind it, and it hit and just shattered. But like I said, I'm glad I had the frosting film on there because that kept it from being a dangerous situation. I've already taken one piece of the inside trim off, and I'm starting on the piece on top. Basically what I did was took a knife and cut the paint to allow myself a space to get my little pry bar in. But this is where I am, and you can watch me do the rest. All right, the glass is out, as you saw. It's down here, and what I did when it did break, went ahead and got packing tape, and I taped all across the front of it so it wouldn't come apart from the other side. Now, I'd planned to use the trim. The first two pieces came off in one piece. The rest of it did not. Actually, the whole piece along the bottom here was kind of rotten. This used to be an outside door. This is not the original door. When we bought the house, I put it on here specifically for that window to let some light into this back hallway from the windows in this room. But anyway, I hope to use that trim. Probably not going to be able to, so I'll have to figure something else out. All right, what I'm going to do now is mark this with the old glass and then cut it.
Hello.
So the pencil wasn't right, so I'm just going to use the knife and cut around the old glass. I'll go ahead and put these pieces back in until I can find some other pieces to go with them. All right, plexiglass is in. I was actually able to salvage this piece of trim. It broke into 3 pieces, but most of it was still here, so I went ahead and used that. And of course I used the top piece and the side piece. All this will need some touch-up paint, and I might put some caulking in to just keep it from rattling. Maybe when I put this bottom piece of trim in, it'll make it a little bit better with the rattling. But anyway, there it is. It's in and secure. And even if it does hit that, it's not going to break because it's plexiglass. I'll get I have some frosting that it's like spray paint. I'll do that, and then we will put some more of the decals on the outside. I don't know if they'll say the exact same thing, but we'll put them on there. That project is about half done now.